Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is RonJustHandy. And what we got here is an assembly build for a client. We were working on a paint job and she said she wanted to see if she can get that built. So we're getting ready to turn this into this. Floor lamp shelf. Alright, let's take a look at our components real fast. So we got our lampshade, our lamp light device, all our hardware, the bolts, washers, spacers, all our assembly pieces. Alright, let's take a look at our components real fast. So we got our lampshade, our lamp light device, all our hardware, the bolts, washers, spacers, all our assembly pieces. Alright, we got all our hardware set out. Our connector, zip ties, cushions, caps, some thingies, and our screws and everything else laid out.